This is the problem number 5, which is a tricky problem. So the problem is that a vector space V is equals to M23, where M23 is the space of all matrices of 2 rows and 3 columns. And we have 3 matrices which are A, B and C, all belongs to this space M23. And the coordinate vectors are A of B, that the coordinate vector of matrix A with respect to basis B is this. Coordinate vector of B with respect to B is this. Similarly, C of B is this. Find the correct statement. A set S is equals to ABC is linearly independent set. Set S consists of ABC is linearly dependent set. You can pause the video for some time and try to solve the question. One direct way to solve this question is take the linear combination of A, B and C, that is C1A plus C2B plus C3 and make it to 0. If all the coefficients are 0, that is C1, C2, C3 is equal to 0, then the set S is linearly independent set. Otherwise, the set S is linearly dependent set. Here all the matrices are of 2 cross 3 dimension, so this method is little time taking, but this method is even more time taking if the dimension of matrix is large. Here, since the coordinate vectors of A, B and C are given, so we'll see the coordinate vector method to solve this problem, which is very little time consuming. Okay, so let a matrix A with the coordinate vector A of B with respect to basis B, then we know the coordinate vector preserves all the linear properties of it, which means what are the linear properties like commutativity, associativity, linear dependence, linear independence. All these properties are preserved by the coordinate vector. Now to find whether the set S is linearly dependent or independent, we can find whether the set of coordinate vectors is linearly dependent or linearly independent. So we form a matrix using the coordinate vector, which is A of B, B of B and C of B, which is this matrix X. This. Now we get the row echelon form of X, which is this. Since there is a 0 row in row echelon form of X, since this one is a 0 row, which means the set S dash consists of AB, BB and CB is linearly dependent set. Okay, because there is a 0 row in row echelon form of X. Since the set consists of coordinate vector of A, B and C is linearly dependent set, and hence using the linearity property of coordinate vector, the set S is equal to ABC is also linearly dependent. Thank you.